Maureen.
I'm Marlene. This is the Ian apartment.
Come on in.
This is our closet. This is where we keep our
jackets, our shoes.
This is our living room. It is very Barbie themed. Labrine started collecting pink things because she wasn't aware she had a roommate, and then we were like, you know what, this is perfect. We love pink. I'm not a big fan of pink.
Me either. This is my couch. I got it for $60 from an old woman who was moving into a senior retirement home. I designed those on Canva, and then the frames are from Dollar Tree. And I printed them in Randall Library.
And then you open the fridge and it gets stuck. It's just, but we can't take it down. I'm emotionally attached to it.
So this is our kitchen. We do a lot of cooking, not so much cleaning in here. The great thing about having a girl apartment is there's always baked goods. I work with kids, so they like to give me little thingies. Artwork.
This is our little table that is attached to the counter, which is really convenient. I was worried about having to bring in a table, but did not have to worry about that when I saw these. And these stools that my friend let me borrow are
also the microwave.
Size.
Shout out Marlene's friend.
Shout out Salali. This is from our first grocery shopping trip, and we still have a few bags of popcorn. If anyone would like some, please.
Free of charge.
Free of charge. This is the little area before you get to the bathroom, and we have our little check-in board. And we just kind of let each other know where we're at.
Welcome. To get that.
This is our little nook with our cleaning supplies and emergency aid things that we've had to use quite a couple times. So these are must-haves in any apartment.
Must-haves.
Must-have. Oh, hey, welcome to my room. This is my bed. It's very comfy, but it is very loud. It's not making much noise right now, so these are some vines I have and lights and some postcards, my Lego flowers, the balloon Labrine got me when I burnt my finger. This is a little non-work area, which is conveniently right next to my desk, and a mirror, my calendars. The closets are very big here, I'll say that.
Oh, we were actually randomly assigned. Yeah, match made in heaven, I would say.
Yeah.
This is my bedroom. I have a cute little linen closet sort of thing. I keep my bags here, some of my cosmetics. So I keep my shoes on the bookshelf. This is where I don't do homework. I have some decor that I've printed out. I found these in a little Amish town in Wisconsin. I really like Care Bears, Don't Judge. And then, yeah, I work with kids, so they give me artwork, and it's glorious. Super spacious. Also automatic motion sensor. And then the Polaroids are my family.
Thanks for stopping by the Lunds.